We have finally arrived at the Baba house. And look at Francis. Wow. And Alice. Hello. Today is Friday, the 4th of October. Wow, these two pak tho. Yeah, caught by Champo Ming. And this is Hello Kitty, the princess, according to. Wow. Baba Zijia. We are here. This will be the hotel. Wow, tonight we can just sit here and chit chat. No outside food allowed. Wow, thank you. 谢谢你，请。Wow, smells good. Wow, lemongrass. Smell of lemongrass.
Baba house
We are at Baba House, Malacca. We're staying here from Friday to Monday, 4th to the 7th of October. Nice room. Let's take a look. Ooh, bathroom. Quite nice. A balcony, yes.
Don't know how to open it.
We have a balcony.
I don't know how to open it.
Don't know how to open.
Cannot open it. This way. No.
Quite nice, Hello. And this is the balcony. Hello. Okay, let's see what's available. This is Mr. Lam. Nice, balcony. Two wonderful chairs. Wow, look. Enjoying himself. Where's the... Nice. Actually nice, windows. Street scene. Yeah, quick.
Terlepas kawasan jambut terdapat deretan kedai-kedai yang telah dari CT, pusat jualan kerja hati serta internet media untuk kemudahan para pelanggan. Di sebelah kiri sungai terletaknya perpaduan kedai-kedai menjual pelbagai barang kerja hati dan barang
Okay, go here, go here.
Thank you.
If we build there. No, when you take you coming out. I think my dog. Oh, I think you oh, yeah. That one say,
Oh my God! Because you have no diabetes. Isn't it good?
Oh no. Okay, I just have a little bit. The ice is a bit too hot. For a lot of things.
Cho bãi cầm to. But the root is that
No, 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 they've been.
yesterday.